Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing an extreme closet clean out. I wanted to go through my closet and get rid of everything that I don't want. I guess that's what this video is. I have two closets. So I have my one in my college apartment and then I have the one at my parents' house. We're starting with the one in my apartment, starting light, starting easy. And then we're gonna work our way into the one in my parents' house, and that is wild. That is today's video. I do a lot of like deep clean videos. So this one was like just for my closet, but I will link my playlist down below where I like clean my room or my apartment. They're so satisfying to watch. I don't know, like seeing the you know what, and that made no sense. Also, let me know if you guys want me to make a Poshmark or a Depop. I have accounts for both, Keegan Acton on all of them. Also my Instagram if you want to follow me. Let me know if you guys want me to like sell the clothes that I'm getting rid of versus donating them. I will definitely do that if you guys want me to. Nothing is listed right now, but let's start cleaning my closet in my apartment.
I know you said it in the heat of the moment, but did you say what you mean? Yeah. Your face turned bright red and your body was frozen.
This is a pile that I'm getting rid of, and this is a pile that I'm getting rid of. They are both like a little too tall to stack. And then these are the clothes that are on like probation. I'm trying to wear them, and so we'll see. And then I also have some jeans up here, and then I want to go through. I have some workout tops and then shorts here. So much stuff up there too. I don't even know if I can do that right now. I guess I should. Like, what else do I have to do? Oh yes. And then I also have like, this is my dirty clothes, literally. But I also have swimsuits that I should probably go through.
I could hear your heartbeat ding out your chest, and you sweat and your palms just won't rest. For a second you'll regret it, almost wanna take it back, but it's too late cause you said it. I hope you meant it, don't be embarrassed.
I don't know if this is stupid, but I came up with an idea. It's either stupid or genius. I really don't have that many jean shorts just because I don't know what size I am. I need to go shopping to find like the right size ones. My jean shorts are either kind of tight on me or kind of loose. So this is the pile of kind of tight, so you know, a non-bloated kind of day. These are my looser shorts, so like in a big meal, you eat a nachos. Those are the ones you gravitate towards. I think this is genius. What do you think? And then on this side, I moved my biker shorts over here. I like biker shorts, running shorts, but now I'm kind of debating putting them back on the other side. I don't know. But then I have my jeans here, and then I have 3 pairs on top right here that I haven't worn in a while, so I put them on top, and if I don't wear them sometime, I don't know, it's not really summer, it's not really jean season in Arizona, but if I don't wear them at all at any point, they're going in the trash. Maybe not the trash, but you know what I mean. Should I go into my swimsuits next? This is going to be scary.
No, baby, it ain't just you.
I found this candle when I was cleaning out my swimsuits because somehow a candle was in my swimsuits, but it smells so good. Champagne toast, they always smell the best the first time you light it. Really impressed with the progress, but do I dare go up here and organize whatever is in these, and then do I dare organize what's in these? I don't know, probably. Why am I upside down? Why do I like it? When else would I do it? But I don't want to do it, but I'm like, I should.
Baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth, I feel how you do.
We have made it to my mom's house. The lighting in here is horrible. I absolutely forgot how disgusting it is. So here's the closet. Honestly, it's not as bad as I remember it being. I feel like I've cleaned it a few times since. This is it. So much stuff back here. It's so cramped. You can't even see. First thing I want to do with this, just like I did with my apartment, I want to go through everything and then make piles of keep and give away. This is gonna be so fun.
And I love you too. That awkward silence when you just don't know if you might have made a mistake. Yeah. Had a suspicion, I was secretly hoping that we were on the same page. Cause your chest, your sweat, and your palms just...
So this is a pile of all the clothes that I want to get rid of. It was surprisingly easy, honestly, to get rid of all this. I thought I was gonna struggle because I'm such like, hoarder's not the right word. I don't like getting rid of things. I'm just a little pack rat. It's so funny like getting rid of these clothes because like I see like a memory for all of them. Like this was like a quarantine project. I wore this all the time sophomore year of high school. This was like junior high school Easter dress. This was a sorority date party. I bought this for Europe. I never even wore it. Tags are still on it. This Brandy Melville card cardigan was like the coolest thing to own back in the day. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of memories. A lot that I have in here are like my prom dresses. I should get rid of them. Maybe I'll sell them during prom season. If anyone wants to buy a prom or homecoming dress, hit me up. So I think I want to go through, well, this is kind of in the way. This is a lot of stuff. This is quite a bit. I'm debating still if I want to sell it or donate it or both. But I think that I want to go through now and organize the clothes to make them make more sense. We'll go up into this stuff and go through that. But I think that I should organize it. Yeah, that's a good idea.
For a second, she'll regret it. Almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too. I know this feeling's are new. Oh, baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. It's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too.
The stuff you find when you're cleaning out your closet is literally crazy. For example, I have this little Tiffany's, you know, holder, whatever, just with a ton of earring backs. Like 100 earring backs in here. I also found like a note one of my friends from high school wrote me. I remember these socks. We have friends that are from England and they got us this pair of socks for Christmas. This is like a travel bag from when I was in high school. I definitely should have brought a trash bag to put some of this stuff in. This one right here is kind of confusing. There's travel stuff, some beauty stuff, some like memories, some decor. It has everything. And the rest of them are empty, so I'm like, should I spread it out? I'm very intrigued for one thing. I think my yearbooks are back here. Like, I know there's stuff back here. I'm also listening to Taylor Swift while I do all of this. Who else would I be listening to? Oh my gosh, my junior homecoming dress. So ugly. I even hated it when I wore it. Oh, my Christmas tree. I've been looking. Oh my gosh, jackpot. The nostalgia. Is that how you pronounce it? I just found a picture of someone I'm no longer friends with. I could probably get rid of that one. That's me my junior year. I'm officially in my feels. I need to find a place to put these yearbooks. I don't really know where. I could always put them back under there, but that's not ideal. Maybe up here. There's a lot of stuff going on up here. So I guess, should we, I guess we should go through it. I'm just dreading it. I just know it's gonna be horrible. This mess is, okay, let's do this. Well, we can start with the easy stuff. Will I ever wear it again? Probably not. Did I ever even end up wearing it? No. I love this pillow, but it's a little dirty. It's hard parting with these things, I'm not gonna lie. I was in a magazine once, not to flex. I think I have way too many of these organizers. So, ow! This is the box where all my magazines go. My mom emailed the magazine company and was like, can I have some? And they were like, yeah. They gave her 25. I don't need 25 magazines. Okay, I saw this TikTok that was saying that you do not need to keep the boxes of your old iPhones and stuff. That one hit me hard, I'm not gonna lie. I should really start a trash pile. I guess the trash pile will be right in front of me. This is my old iPhone. Oh, I don't need that. I don't think I need this, but it's cute. Well, okay, so here's the thing. I'm like, I could use this one day, but I also had that same thought process before and it sat in my closet. When I got my YouTube plaque, this was the box it came in. Yeah, I don't think I can get rid of this. Oh, this is an old hard drive. Oh, I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Wow, that really hurt more than it looked, probably. I'm assuming. We're just gonna move on. I've had this since I was like in junior high and I've never used it. There's a lot of blood on my mouth right now. Should I put it on? I'm surprised there's not a lot of makeup on. No, there is some makeup on it. Just take a little like, oh my gosh. Just, I didn't think it could get worse, but nevertheless it does. So this is all the stuff that I'm like, I want to keep. I just need to find somewhere to put it. I also need to get up there and get that stuff down, but
for a second, she'll regret it. Almost wanna take it back, but it's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed, no. Baby, it ain't just you. I feel it too.
I'll show you guys the progress. Not bad. Not horrible, not good, not bad. This stuff under this blanket is the stuff that I want to hang. I also have more stuff to hang that like it's my winter stuff that I also need to go through that. But I put in here, maybe I should finish putting this stuff away, but I have a pile of just like stuff in here that I'm like, okay, I want to try it on, see if I still like it, if it fits me. If not, I'll give it away. The dilemma, I just had in and out. I'm so bloated. See the bloat? So I'm like, will these things even fit me? I tried to separate the stuff into 2 categories. This I want to be like shoes, accessories, decor. I might even need another bin, but we don't have another bin. And then these are overflowing things of clothes. Yes. Like some of this stuff, like I would sell this for like $3. I would sell this swimsuit bottom for $1. Like, I'm like, is it even worth selling? Like maybe some stuff I'd sell it for more than $1, but I don't really care enough to make it super expensive. So let me know if you want me to just like make a Poshmark or a Depop, which one you'd prefer, and then I'll donate the rest. Or should I just not even try? You know what? I kind of want to try on the stuff, but I feel like I should. I just tried everything on. I was gonna give you guys a fashion show, but then I gave everything away. What kind of fashion show is that? I have this clothes and this clothes too. Well, this clothes I need to sort through if there's anything that I want to get rid of, but we need to hang them all. Let me move my trash bags. It's so heavy. Okay, let's do this.
I know this feeling's a new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. Oh yeah, yeah, I feel it too.
Ladies and gentlemen, her. We have finished the closet. One thing we have not finished is cleaning the room. Yeah, the closet is done. Here's what I have. Right here is ASU t-shirts. This is business casual stuff. And then I have my winter stuff. I don't think anything is in either of these. Most of these are also empty. These are all my dresses. I'm proud of this. I somehow fit all my yearbooks right there. That's like where that big hard drive thing is. And then all these are empty except for this one. Oh, dang it. Are you guys ready to see how much stuff I'm whatevering with? I don't know. Do you see all of this? Even that. And then there's more. All of this. I have no idea what to do with any of it, but I'm gonna keep cleaning this room. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope that it was satisfying to watch. Again, let me know if you guys want me to make a Poshmark or a Depop. I already have them. Let me know if you want me to sell clothes on those apps. Keegan Acton for both of them. If you want to follow me, I will keep you updated what I decide to do on Instagram, which is again at Keegan Acton. But yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.